We've seen you asking, what is TubeBuddy? Good question. Let's take some time to answer this.
TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube SEO, competitor analysis, and time-saving Chrome extension for video creators. It can identify the keywords and tags to target for your videos so that your channel generates a constant stream of views and subscribers.
With that in mind, we recommend every creator use the free tool called TubeBuddy, as it's got some awesome features that are going to help you save bundles of time. These features will reduce that awful admin. So let's check out the top 5 free features. Number 1, spying on your competition fast. Once you've installed, you can pick any videos of a creator in the same niche and easily see their stats. Social shares, views, how many videos, and so on. It's not groundbreaking, but it's flipping convenient. You can even see what tags they've used in their video. Number 2, staying on the theme of tags, and this is proper naughty. I spend time thinking of your own when you can go on the top ranking video of the search term you're trying to target and just steal them. You might want to still check them though. Number 3, the publishing checklist. If you've watched our videos about how to upload a video properly to grow your channel, you'll know there's quite a few steps you need to take. Links in the description, by the way. TubeBuddy takes away all the unknowns, give you a sweet checklist to ensure you take all the right steps for uploading perfection. Number 4, the thumbnail generator. You can actually build your own custom thumbnails inside TubeBuddy, which isn't quite Photoshop, but if you're tight on resources, it's going to give you a good alternative. Number 5, suggested tags. Upload your video, you can use TubeBuddy's slick suggested tag option. Unless you've just stolen your competitions, but if you're not a thief, then this is the next best thing. There are a few other notable features too. Embedding. It's pretty easy and gives you some good options YouTube seems to have removed now. You can also get a discount if you have less than 1,000 subscribers on the Pro package. Really, I think the Star option would be the one to go for if you do want to go to a paid feature on TubeBuddy.